In this new chapter, signal transmission of the offsetting, and use here offsetting imbalance to use the analog technique to shift level of a signal by particular amount. Typical application include measurement of the small changes about the larger initial value, increment the measurement of the employing a device that has an the absolute scale, reducing a common mode level, restoring or introducing of an offset. For some application, an accurately development constant is the necessary. For example, and the isolation amplifier can be measured small different signal riding on a large common mode voltage. The isolator supply ignores the common mode voltage, or if used full portion, the transducer output is an AC signal. Capacitive or transformer coupling may be the used eliminated DC level. Then the 5.4a, this figure is the provide the offsetting with the bridge configuration, and the 5.4a, this figure is the typical 420 milliampere process control loop using the 2B20 as a transmitter. In many process control application, information, that means the 4 to 20 milliampere current transmission transmitted in the form of the current with the span of the 60 milliampere full scale, and the offsetting range is the 4 to 20 milliampere. The transmission of the current provide a degree of the noise immunity, since the received information is the unfracted by the voltage drop that the line stray thermocouples contact voltage or resistance, and included voltage noise. At the same time, the offset provides distinctions between zero and the no information due to and the open circuit flow. An additional benefit to this the transmission is the for the some application power can be the furnished remotely. The 4 milliampere current that is the no needed for the information transfer, thus the power transmitted in the one directional signal in the return direction. No local source of the power is needed as such as the transducer, and only two wires are needed for the transmission. Finally, information in the form of the current permits several loads at the different location to the connected in the series up to the specified maximum voltage. The output of the transducer could drive a chart recorder and a meter, and the provide an input to controller. Figure 5.4a shows the typical 420 milliampere process controller loop using the modulator voltage to loop current converter. Figure number 2, 5.4b, shows the isolated voltage to the 4 to 20 milliampere current. Excitation for the output current is the furnished by an external loop supply. Thus, this device figure shows the 5.4 represent the low-cost system solution embodying specified guaranteed performance. However, there are the number of ways for the determined designer familiar with the operational circuitry to build successfully voltage to current converter using the published operational amplifier circuit. Attention must be paid to the requirements for the accuracy, grounding, input voltage range, output current, and the compliance voltage, power supply requirement, reference, and the DC stability. The readjustment of the such a circuit as shown in figure the 5.5. It is the characteristics of the 4 to 20 milliampere is the non-linearity and linearizing. A linear system element is one for the which is cause and the effect are the proportional. If there are several inputs, the output is the proportional to their sum. Non-linearity is a measure of the departure for the proportionality. 5.6 shows the input output plot of the ideal linear relationship or non-linear relationship and the difference between the two non-linearity. All devices are characterized by the non-linearity. For some, it is the desired characteristics. For some others, it is the performance limit that is the predictable by the nature of the device characteristics. For the rest of it is a performance limit that differs from the device to device. It must simplify be the accepted as the worst case of the specification. In this section, we are concerned with the second class undesired but the predictable non-linearities. We will discuss several means of the dealing with them, often the useful data linearization. If the data are to be the designed and the processed digitally as soon as the possible, it is probability makes sense to perform any needed linearization in the digital domain. The principal techniques involved the read-only memory and the computational algorithm. Analog linearization. For the many application, it is the best to linearize the output of the transducer at the some point of the analog process. This is obviously true for the case where no digital processing is used, but it is also true where the limited processing capability and or memory are the available, and where the analog processing can be done simplified at the low cost.